In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Replit to GitHub. We'll walk through bringing an existing GitHub repository into Replit so you can run, edit, and experiment right in the browser. I'll keep things clear and straightforward, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to avoid common hiccups. First, open your browser and go to replit.com/import. This page is designed specifically for bringing code in from external sources, and it's the fastest path for GitHub projects. If you aren't already signed into Replit, go ahead and log in so you can complete the connection. Next, choose GitHub as your source and follow the prompts to authenticate. You'll be redirected to GitHub to authorize Replit. This permission lets Replit read your repositories and, if you allow it, access private repos as well. Make sure you're logged into the correct GitHub account, especially if you switch between personal and work accounts. If you use an organization, you may need to grant access to that organization in GitHub settings before you see those repos listed. You can always adjust or revoke permissions later in your GitHub account settings. Once authorized, you'll see a list of your repositories. Use the search box if you have many. Select the repository you want to import. Replit will scan the project and automatically detect the language and tools, like Python with a requirements.txt, Node.js with a package, JSON, or other common setups. This detection helps Replit prepare your run command and environment so you don't have to configure everything manually. When you're ready, click Import to confirm. Replit will begin the conversion process, which means it fetches your files, applies a suitable template, and gets the project ready to run. Depending on the size of your repo and any dependencies, this can take a moment. You'll see progress logs as it works. When it finishes, your project opens in the Replit editor where you can run and test immediately. A few helpful tips before you dive in. Avoid committing secrets to your repository. If your project expects environment variables, add them through Replit's secrets tool rather than storing them in files. If your import stalls or fails, check for very large files, submodules, or Git LFS assets that might need special handling. And if you accidentally authorize the wrong GitHub account, simply sign out and re-authenticate with the correct one. That's it. You've connected Replit to GitHub by importing your repository, and you're ready to code in the cloud with everything set up for you.